Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to Economics. Today we're diving into a topic that can transform your online presence and boost your business like never before. Email marketing. So why does email marketing matter? Before we dive into the how, let's understand the why. Email marketing isn't just sending out newsletters. It's building relationships, driving sales, and nurturing customer loyalty. In fact, did you know that for every $1 spent on email marketing, the average return is $42? That's a whopping 4,200% return on investment. But wait, there's more. Email marketing allows you to reach your audience directly in a personalized way. It's like having a direct line to your subscribers' inboxes, where they're more likely to engage with your content. Now, let's get practical. How do you build an email list that's as strong as a fortress? Here are some examples. Number 1, opt-in offers. They create enticing opt-in offers like ebooks, cheat sheets, or exclusive discounts. Offer something valuable that makes your audience excited to share their email addresses. Number 2, landing pages. Design attention. Grabbing landing pages that highlight the benefits of subscribing. Keep it simple and focused on what your audience will gain. Number 3, social media engagement. Leverage your social media platforms. Promote your opt-in offers and encourage followers to join your email list for exclusive content. All right, you've got a list. Now it's time to keep your subscribers hooked. Here are some ways to do that. Number 1, segmentation. Not all subscribers are the same. Segment your list based on interests, behaviors, and preferences. This way, you can send targeted content that resonates. Number 2, compelling content. Your emails should be like a mini adventure. Craft engaging subject lines that spark curiosity and deliver content that's valuable, entertaining, or educational. Number 3, call to action. Don't leave your subscribers hanging. Every email should have a clear call to action, whether it's to read a blog post, watch a video, or snag a limited time offer. Last but not least, let's talk about maintaining those precious relationships. Stay consistent with your email schedule. Whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, your audience should know when to expect your emails. Encourage interaction by asking for feedback and suggestions. Make your subscribers feel valued, like they're part of a community. And there you have it, folks. Email marketing isn't just a trend. It's a strategic tool that can propel your business forward. By building an engaged email list and delivering valuable content, you're creating a tribe of loyal supporters who can't wait to see what you have in store next. Remember, it's not just about sending emails. It's about nurturing connections. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from Economicus. Until next time, happy emailing.